Hi, Julian here from the SERP.NET team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Social Exchanger. First, let me explain what Social Exchanger is. Social Exchanger is a marketplace where you can publish offers, asking other members to engage with your content on popular social media platforms. When creating an offer, you can allocate credits, which users earn when performing your required action. You too can perform actions for other members and earn credits that you can then spend in our platform. Social actions that can be exchanged with other members include, but are not limited to, reviews and ratings like Amazon product reviews, Google My Business reviews, Facebook reviews, comments like YouTube comments, Facebook comments, Instagram comments, questions like Amazon questions, Quora questions, what we call connect actions to like a Facebook page, follow Twitter or Instagram account, as well as simple actions to share or like a Facebook post, to like or retweet a message on Twitter, and so on. The idea behind Social Exchanger is to team up with other members to achieve your goals. Social Exchanger is a deregulated marketplace, and what you can achieve is only limited by your imagination. All actions are entirely organic and from people in your industry, which is of course much better than using both services. Alright, let me show you how it works. Here is the Social Exchanger dashboard. As you can see here, there are a few different sections. All tasks, which is a list of all the available tasks at the moment. My tasks, which is my list of tasks, as the name suggests, to access the tasks I created and want others to perform for me. My actions, which is my list of actions, to access the actions I perform for others. I also have access to some personal stats here, as well as global stats, and there is also a leaderboard. Depending on your membership level, you get a certain amount of credits every month. So you should be able to create your first task without having to perform actions for others first. To create a new task, simply click on the plus button here. You can select a task you previously created to automatically fill out this form. Obviously, you won't be able to do this the first time. You can select a language here. Then you must enter a title for your task. So for example, 5-star review on Google My Business. Then you must enter a description. For example, please give my business a 5-star rating on Google My Business. Here you can write a short general description, or you can go into more detail. Then you must select an action type. So here it's reviews and ratings. You can ask for a screenshot or video as proof. This is up to you. Then you must select a duration to complete this task. So if someone takes this task, he or she will have 3 hours, 6 hours, or 12 hours to complete it. I'm going to select 6 here. Then you must select the number of actions. So in our example, the number of reviews I would like to have, 3 for example, and the number of points you're willing to spend per action. The more points, the more interesting it will be for the action taker, to earn more points of course. Then in this form here, you can write more private information. So in the description above, I decided to go for a short general description to give people an idea of what the task is about. I could have written a more detailed description here. What I'm going to do in this example is write more details here. So for example, I'm going to write my business name and more instructions. So what I wrote in the description field above will be visible to all SERP members, and what I wrote here in this other field will only be visible to SERP members who decided to take this task. That way you decide who sees what. Here I gave them instructions to follow. I could have given them a direct link to my Google My Business page, or I could have created a natural traffic link to click. So for example, here I could enter my business name or a specific keyword or phrase. So for example, here the name of a restaurant. Let's test this link. I click here, and this is where people will be directed to when clicking the natural traffic link. Let's not use this feature here. Then I click on create. Alright, so my task has been successfully created. Now other SERP members can assign themselves this task and earn points. I will be notified when someone takes this task, of course. I will even be able to communicate with this person to answer his questions or maybe thank him once it's all done. Alright, now let's take a look at someone else's task. So performing other people's tasks will allow you to earn points that you can then spend to create more tasks. So for example, here, I click on View Task. They're asking me to like a Facebook page. I don't have the link yet. I can take this task by clicking here. Now I have the link. I simply click on it, like the Facebook page. Here I can send a message to the task creator in case I have a question or need more information. Once this is done, I simply click on mark this action as complete and then submit message. Once this is done and the action creator approves this task, I will earn the points shown here. Let's see another example. This one, for example, here, GMB review. So here are the instructions. Please leave a nice review on Google for our restaurant. I click here. Here I have some additional information. I also have a natural traffic link. I click it. So this is where I need to leave the review. Once the task is done, simply tick this box here. As you can see, in this specific case, they're asking for a screenshot of video as proof of completion. You can use Jing, Loom, or another free screenshot or screen capture tool. Then simply paste the URL here and click on submit message. The task creator will then review my work before approving the task, and once done, I will earn the points shown here. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have questions or feedback, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team at getsupport@serb.net.